Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is David Saputra. I'm from class PBEC and I'm from the Department of English Education. Okay, today I want to answer about the question from the article. Title: Teaching Non-Traditional Students, EFL Teachers, Experience, Challenge, and Future Recommendation. The authors, they are Leni Marzulina, Lian Erlina, Muhammad Holania, Herizal, Hima Zalifa Putri, and Nurul Wahyuni. Okay, the next. The purpose of the study. The purpose of this study was to identify and describe the challenge faced by English teachers in providing English instruction to young inmates. In a first-class correctional institution in Palembang, the researchers aimed to explore the difficulties that arise during the teaching process and how the challenges affect the educational outcomes of the inmates. Next, design of the study. The researchers used a qualitative descriptive research design. 1. The design aimed to collect detailed description of teachers' experience. 2. Researchers observed the teaching process and explore teacher perspectives. 3. They gathered data through interviews and documentation to understand the real condition inside the correctional institution. 4. The design allowed the researchers to explain the challenge as they naturally occur in the teaching environment. Next, location and participants of the study. Location: a first-class correctional institution in Palembang, Indonesia. Participants: English teachers working at the correctional institution. The selection process used purposive sampling, meaning participants were chosen because they had direct experience teaching English to young inmates and could provide relevant insight. 4. Data collection. The data use qualitative data collection techniques, including 1. Interviews to understand teachers' experience, challenge, and perspectives. 2. Observation. Researchers observe the teaching environment, student behavior, classroom condition, and instructional process. 3. Documentation. Supporting documents such as teaching materials and institutional records were reviewed. Data analysis. The researchers analyzed the data through several steps. 1. Data reduction. Sorting and selecting important information related to the challenge faced by teachers. 2. Data display, organizing the data into themes and categories. 3. Conclusion drawing, interpreting and summarizing findings related to the main aims of the study. Major findings. The study identified 4 major challenges faced by English teachers in the correctional institution. 1. Students' negative attitudes. Young inmates display poor motivation and antisocial behavior, making it difficult for teachers to maintain discipline and engagement. 2. Time management issues. Teachers lack sufficient time to cover learning materials because teaching schedules were limited by correctional institution routines. 3. Shortage of textbook and learning materials. Both teachers and inmates lacked adequate instructional materials, forcing teachers to create their own materials which require extra time and resource. 4. Inadequate classroom condition. Poor ventilation, uncomfortable classrooms, and lack of proper facilities negatively affected both teaching effectiveness and student concentration. This challenge collectively hindered effective English instruction and the learning outcomes of young inmates. And next, connection with relevant studies. The title, Learning Environment and English Language Teaching in Thailand. The author, Kiat Keheri, P. Journal, International Journal of Information and Education Technology, Fall egg number 5, 2018 years. Okay, next, findings. Classroom environment strongly influence student engagement and learning outcomes, aligning with the study findings on poor classroom condition. Okay friends, I think it is enough for my answer today. If I have many mistakes, I say sorry, and to Allah we are apologize. Thank you very much. See you next time and see you soon. Syukran jazakumullahu khairan wa barakallahu fikum. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.